What is going on, everybody? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And what I want to talk about today is cryptocurrency and why the time to buy, in my opinion, is now. As always, I like to preface by saying that I'm not a financial advisor, but rather, I always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. And the question always continues to come: when is the right time to buy anything? Generally speaking, we like to buy things that are on sale. And the question becomes is how do people make so much money in these different markets? Whether it's crypto, stocks, real estate, whatever mechanism it is that you're utilizing to make money via investments outside of your 9 to 5. Again, that's your decision ultimately. But if you're watching this video, you're probably looking at cryptocurrency as a vehicle to grow your wealth. But the question becomes, historically speaking, crypto has been one of the most volatile asset classes to ever be created. Because of its use case that changes day to day, regulatory things that changes day to day, we really never know exactly where crypto is headed. But we hear individuals like Cathie Wood, a very, very strong investor, somebody who has strong business acumen, has her own investment firm with ARK Invest, and she has things like a $500,000 price target for Bitcoin. And in my opinion, based off of historical data, we know that crypto, the best time to buy it is always after we see significant downfall in price action. Because inevitably, crypto over time will gain more exposure, it's going to gain more interest, and it's going to gain a bigger investor base. So I remember a lot of people asking me, last year when so much money was being made in crypto, is it the right time to get in right now? Should I start buying Bitcoin at $55,000, $60,000? I was like, why didn't you come and talk to me about it when Bitcoin was at 12,000, when it was at 10,000, when I initially got into this entire space way back in 2016, 2017? So now, in my opinion, is the time to start looking into it, because this is the time that all these millionaires that you met or heard their stories or their anecdotes, the time they made their money was when the market was down. Because you got to think about it. Everything's on a discount. And we're looking at it from the mother of all cryptos, and that's Bitcoin. And the strategy that has proven itself time and time again in every single market is dollar cost averaging. If you bought Bitcoin at the peak and you don't want to sell for a loss, let's say that was at $70,000 per coin and you bought a fraction, increasing your position size, if you still have the same thesis and believe in this asset long term, that should not change your interest or your buying ability right now. Maybe you don't have as much dry powder or cash on hand to purchase certain assets with the current macro and microeconomic circumstances, but you still have the ability to dollar cost average, even if that means a small percentage of your current wealth you're putting away into certain crypto assets. Bitcoin is at $19,223. Ethereum, from its $4,800 all-time high, is sitting at $1,307. My investment thesis has never changed with any of these cryptos. So what have I been doing? I have continuously been buying my favorite assets, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum. I'm just looking at the top 20, BNB, Cardano, Solana, even Dogecoin. If you're into memes, again, we've seen what they've done during bull runs. A lot of new investors tend to look for the things that are the cheapest priced. And of course, Dogecoin being at 6 cents, or Shiba Inu, my favorite crypto asset, with all the zeros that are preceding the 1074 or the 10,740 Satoshi units, it makes it attractive to new investors, which gives them a really big upside potential. But always assess your personal risk appetite. If you have the ability and you're interested in crypto, and maybe you didn't get in at the top, right now is when millionaires are made. That is a 100% true statement. Regardless of what market you put your money into, the fact is everything is down from its all-time high. Even real estate. A house that was $200,000 during the pandemic, because all real estate prices were going through the roof, right now you can get it for 30, 40, 50% off, up even $100,000 possibly. So the fact is, opportunity is now. Look into your favorite assets, look into the crypto market, go back and watch some videos from all the different YouTubers that have made videos about certain assets, their thesis, their personal opinion on them, and look at the things to grow your wealth. Because right now, keeping money in the bank account with inflation, you're losing money. 100% a fact. Assess your risk, figure out how to divide your portfolio, but millionaires are made during bear markets because this is when things are going to be the cheapest. I appreciate your guys' support. Make sure you smash that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. But that's all I had for you guys today. So until next time, everybody, as always, keep investing. Peace.